My process depends on the day. It could be a little chaotic. There's so much that you can use on a CamelBak product.
There's so many good details.
I love zippers and pullers.
This whistle, it's so good. It has to be in here somewhere.
How can I make this multifunctional? Like, is there a secret hidden pocket? I don't look at it as a trend because I'm like, this should be the future of fashion. We already have all this stuff made. Why don't we try to use it for something else? My name is Nicole McLaughlin, and I am an upcycling designer. So I take old stuff and I rework it into new stuff. There's something so special about coming into a brand and working with them on the products that they might have even created themselves, because they know it better than anybody else.
At first glance, you don't realize like how much actually goes into the product.
CamelBak has been one of my favorite brands to upcycle since the beginning. I think it was in 2018. I made a shoe that had like a water hydration system. It was just so exciting, and to be able to share that in the CamelBak office feels like a full circle moment to me.
I like this.
The best part about the workshops is bringing people together, and the moment that I see in people's faces when the concept clicks for them and they see something transform into something else.
My first piece that I started with I called Cocktail Quiver. It's using a run quiver. Fits 3 beers stacked together. I wanted to highlight the CamelBak logo.
It's front and center. Where do you envision yourself going wearing this?
This is my wingman.
Okay.
I bring this everywhere.
Everywhere. I really like the vision that you have, and I think that the fact that the neck piece is functional just makes it even more exciting.
When I had those moments when I first started, it was the most inspiring, the most exciting thing, and I feel like I get to relive that every time I do a workshop. It just shows the character of CamelBak as a brand to continuously push these ideas around taking responsibility for the things that they've created. I hope that more brands think like that, because they already put the time and the resource to make those materials, so why not try to utilize it again?